Hi there, and welcome to today's web session, What's New with Adaptive Insights? My name is Megan Addy, and I'm a Senior Consultant with Armanino. I'm going to take you through many of the updates to add-on products Discovery and Office Connect. There are two changes to the Discovery module. Those who have Discovery for NetSuite and Discovery Enterprise will see an optimized admin screen. This will make it easier and faster for the administrators to update data. Second, all users will see expanded end-user control of the bar chart component. This is for both Discovery and Discovery Enterprise clients. These changes are available in Edit in Place function, as well as the Visual Designer. Looking at Office Connect, we have quite a few updates to cover. First is Multicurrency. Multicurrency is now being supported in Office Connect. You will see any currencies that you have defined now showing up in your builder for use on your report. There is also now a default currency setting, and this is managed through a new tab in Book Properties. For any new books, meaning books that you create from this point on, not existing reports you already have, the level currency is going to be the default. So if you have levels that have a currency associated with them, it will automatically come in with that level currency. You can override these by adding a currency element to your report, or you can go into Book Properties and change the default. Any old books you already have created will automatically be set to the corporate default, so you won't see any of your numbers changing. If you want to utilize this new function in one of your older reports, you'll need to go into your book and change your setting, or add in new currency elements. Visually, you're going to see a difference between the defaults and the added elements in the review pane, so I want to point this out. Currencies that have come in associated with the level automatically will be in italics. These cannot be removed. If you add a currency element, this will not be in italics, and that's an indicator to you that those can be removed. Here's an example of currency used on a report. Our next topic is quarter-to-date context. We now have quarter-to-date context available for use within your builder. You will see quarter-to-date and quarter-to-date beginning balance as options on the Query tab under Context menu. You'll bring those into your report just like you would the year-to-date context element. Here's an example of what that might look like on your report. The last major new feature is the addition of the use of attributes in your reports. All attributes are now available in Office Connect, including account, level, and dimension attributes, and these are all listed under the new Attributes element. There are a few differences in the use of attributes in Office Connect compared to how they're used in the adaptive web-based reporting. You can query the attribute like it is an account or use it as a filter against a group of accounts. However, accounts are not going to be dynamically removed as they would in the adaptive web reporting. That means the Office Connect report will still display those accounts in rows or columns, but the results returned will be 0. If you wish for those accounts to not be displayed, you will want to make sure you're using the Zero Suppress functionality within Office Connect. So just a little different user experience between the two tools. This applies to level and dimension attributes as well. There have also been some enhancements to existing functionality in addition to the new features we've discussed. Parameters have been updated with checkboxes on the parameter element. The level tree is still the only parameter supported. However, you can now change parameter tab by tab, enabling or disabling as you choose. So with this, you can now refresh the entire workbook and the parameter settings will be retained. You can also see these new elements coming from the use of the parameter over on the Review tab under a new node called Sheet. When those elements are in, you'll be able to see them like they are listed here under Sheet. So that's it for today. These enhancements are live now in your model, so you can take advantage of them immediately. I also encourage you to review the supplemental video on adaptive planning updates as well for more great tips. And please join us in future webcasts discussing new features and helpful hints to better optimize your user experience of Adaptive Insights. And don't forget to sign up for Adaptive Live 2016. Go to adaptivelive.com for details. Thanks for your time and have a great day.